Now we are going to know about the emergence of the shadow zone. Before learning this shadow zone, we have already done about the P waves and the S waves. Now, how the P and S waves or the L waves, they are going from one place to another, that we are going to know. So there is a topic we have which is shadow zone, and it's also related to the seismic activity. Basically, earthquake waves get recorded in seismographs. We have already learned it, located at far off the locations, because in any places we can't stand over there. Na? So such a zone is called the shadow zone. However, there exist some specific areas where the waves are not reported. Okay, where the seismic waves are not recorded or reported, that zone is called the shadow zone. The study of different events reveals that about the earthquake which exist all over the different shadow zones. The longitude or the latitude, whatever you can say, the 105 degree, from 105 degree to 145 degree, the places, the around surface. So the seismographs located beyond 145 degree from epicenter record the arrival of the P waves, but not that of the S waves. So the zone between 105 degree and 145 degree from epicenter was identified as the shadow zone. So for the both types of waves, what is written over there? The shadow zone for both P and S waves is identified between 105 to 145 degree from the earthquake center, or you can say as focus. So P wave shadow zone forms a band encircling the earth in this range, and S wave shadow zone is more extensive, covering over 40% of the earth's surface. S waves do not reach areas between or beyond 105 degree from the earthquake center, but P waves can reach over the places, over the boundary. Come to the example. What is written for the example? That the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, it was a pertinent example or a flexible example. The massive undersea earthquake, that means the tsunami, it led to the creation of significant shadow zone. What happened then? The analysis of this zone provided the crucial insights into the Earth's internal structure and the behavior of the seismic waves. Through this Indian Ocean earthquake, the example, we can understand the behavior of the seismic waves, and particularly the absence of the S waves in certain regions. From this example, we can understand that S waves can't reach in any places in anyhow, which P waves can. So the presence of P waves were there, but the S waves were completely absent. So that's why the example is given over there. Some revision points are also given. Shadow zone, that means from which area to which area we can see 105 degree to 145 degree. Where seismic waves from an earthquake not detected, no seismic activities we can see over those places. Beyond 105 degree, not only the P waves are detected, creating a shadow zone for S waves also. The shadow zone P waves and S waves ranges between 105 to 145 degree. P wave shadow zone forms the band around the earth in this range, and S waves are so large which covers almost 40% of the earth's surface. And one example, notified example or notable example, which is 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake. It's also got the information about the formation and analysis of the seismic shadow zone.